Okay guys, so welcome back in Croding Bangla IT, and in this video I'll show you that how you can simply we can export our vehicle for our Unreal Engine, and then we can use them with rig. Okay, so for rigging the vehicle I already make my model, as you can see. Okay, I also set it the color, and then make sure your tires are separated. Okay, also give it some name so you can understand easily. And let me see one more thing, my rig. That, as you can see, this is my skeleton body, my latest car, and the RL is the back left, and the RR is the maybe the front one. FL is the front, and FL right is the front. Okay, so I'm just seeing the the bones. Then we need to click on this, then click on Unreal Engine UE4, and then you need to select the base with the base, and then the front this was that FR to this, and FL with this one, and the back wheels this. Now we can set it to in units. Okay, so once you set it to units, you can rig the vehicle, and you find like this. Then press on Ctrl plus Z, then upgrade to object, then we can again press on rig, and you find like this, a simple and quite enough a rig vehicle. Okay, this one is good. And one is done, you need to click on files, export, and FBX. Then you need to set any of locations. Then let me give it that low poly bus bus, and low poly bus 1. Then just click on mesh armature, and add the geometry, make it to space, and the armature, disable these, add a leaf bones, click on export. Now just go at Unreal Engine. Now make a new folder, and at the new folder what you need to do is basically click on imports, then go your downloads, go select your your FBX, then just make sure select the skeleton body, and then click on, you can import, you can also rig the vehicle, or you can similar kind of like, but I'm just click on import. Okay, so it will be take some time for load, and as a result you find like this, it will be compiling the shaders. So click on save all. And as you can see, this is done. And now if I just drag in my vehicle at here, as you can see, the vehicle is perfect at here. Okay, the vehicle is now at here. So now what you need to do is basically very simple. We need to create some body for this. So how you can create? Basically you need to go your folder, then right mouse, blueprints, select that class, that WHW wheel vehicle, select, and now you can select your name, that bus or something. So I'm give it a name, that bus. Then open this, and now at the mesh you need to select your skeleton body. Okay, as you can see, the face is now exposition. Now add a camera. Now at the camera we need to act like this, and just you need to set up your camera. Okay, nothing else, just set up your camera. Now you need to go at the vehicle movement, and now you need to create that right mouse blueprint class, that wheel, and just select this, that vehicle wheel. I already have done, that's why I'm not making. So at the wheel handler you need to duplicate first one, set the radius to 50, or depend on your wheels. Okay, make sure it's depend on your wheels, that how you set. In my case I set the radius, the first one is 50, and the second one I said 50 same, but the steering angle is 0. Okay, make sure we don't need our back wheels also turn into left or right, that's why. So one is done, you need to select this into the front ones, and the front too. Okay, now we need to select the bones name. So where you find the bones name, just go open your skeleton body, like this is skeleton mesh, you find like this, just set, and now you need to select in at here. So this is the last one, and the RR is the left one, and then the one is the front one, so just FL and just paste like this, and we need one more, so the last one is the FR. So this is your bones name, just paste it, and boom, your setup is done. Now we need to just make some move inputs for this, that uh, move move forward, get the vehicle movement, set throttle inputs, connect it with this, select it with this, and then you need to again search format that str, maybe just search st, and you find that s steering wheels. If you don't see like me, so s set, just search that set st, and you find this, that is set steering wheel. Then you need to again search that move to move right. Alright, then you found list that move right. Okay, basically our vehicle is now set up. So now at our game mode, we can change the game mode to our bus. Okay, so we can drive the bus. Like now if I hit the play, okay, first time we need to make like this. Okay, as you can see, the bus is come, and yeah, I can now drive the bus. You can check one more by dragging one more bus. You can check that the bus is perfectly good or not. As you can see, the bus is perfect, and as you can see, the tires also working, and we are success to make a drivable vehicle. Okay, like we can now drive this vehicle, and this is good. We can enjoy this vehicle as we want, and it's low poly, so we can also use this in our Android. So yeah, we can control this from our Android. We can drive this vehicle as we want. I hope you understand. If you have a question, you can comment in my comment box. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Love you all, and bye bye. See you in the next video.